Big PR haul. For me, big. Starting with Christy Dawn. Is there a correct way? These dresses are so beautiful. I already have one they sent to me and I'm obsessed with it. They're also perfect for postpartum. As you can tell, I live in the big smock dresses. Ignore my house. Stunning. Stunning, and it's so thin. I can't wait to wear this literally tomorrow. Farm to Closet. I got a medium. I hope it's not too big, but I think that this is adjustable. Yeah, it's truly adjustable, so it will actually just be perfect. Next, Edam. I think I know what this is because I follow them. They make the world's best lip gloss. Chapstick lip balm. I'm gonna open it poorly. Oh, come on. Just get scissors. Scissors. I didn't even get scissors. I got a rogue key. Oh, wait. There was an easier way to do that. I made it complicated. Ooh. Another Mommy Wada, which is like the spray mist. I don't want to open it because I have so many, but they're so nice, especially in the heat right now. Just mist your face like crazy. And then the lip balm in Butter Mochi. I'm debating if I open this or give it to a friend. I have one in the car. I'll give it to a friend. I have enough. And this, ooh, this I actually bought myself. I was just gonna say, sometimes I forget what I buy in the middle of the night, but sometimes I don't want to wear just like a big dress like this, but my pants don't fit yet. So I got a few things randomly from Cotton On. What is this? Okay. Two of these I'm already like, why did I get these? I got breast milk on a lot of my little tees, so I got this blue one. A lot of my tees don't fit my boobs right now, so I got this blue one in a medium. But it's kind of hard to breastfeed in a t-shirt when he's in the Artipop. And I got this little stripe one. I thought it was so cute. And then these pants. See, these are nice and thin. So thin. Like almost see-through. They're like a sweatpant material with the little cinched jogger-esque bottom. I know people don't like those. I don't understand. I love a cinched bottom sweatpant. And like the bottom cinches and it kind of goes under so it looks like a normal sweatpant, but it doesn't go under your shoes. I cannot stand the wide leg sweatpant. They all go under my shoe. And then these are like a pointel. And then they look like they're wide leg, but they cinchy. I've randomly been liking Cotton On for when I'm in a pinch and have nothing to wear. PP. Okay, I'm gonna go play with my baby.